At hello mga guys, nandito na naman tayo sa ating vlogging at aming sinusulit ang holiday dito sa UAE. So nandito na naman kami sa Al Ghurair Mall para maggala. Gala lang. Muna kami sa first floor at pupunta kami sa Daiso. Doon maraming item na mga adik-adik. Tingin kami ng mga puting-ting. Ayan guys, may nagustuhan siyang book. Gusto niyang bilhin. Tinanong ko, mabasahin daw niya. Sabi ko meron niya sa YouTube at saka sa Google. Wala daw. So what is the future of that book that you are very interested?
Five Nights at Freddy's. Since the movie is coming up in October 27.
So we will watch the movie. No need to buy book.
It's different. Most of it's not really good.
I wonder what is so interesting.
Sure you will read? Are you sure? Ano ba, baby?
Eh siya sige, nagsabi eh.
Ano ba?
Hindi siya papiliin mo.
Dalawa gusto.
Only one. Ayan, nakapili siya. I think you can read it now, then we will return back. What do you think? We will wait you here. You stay here. Here's
It's different.
Sure.
Balma, here's you gonna do. Me and Mommy will go around and pasyal with Ate Alay, and then you stay here and read. If the sales lady watch.
This one? Or this one?
If the sales lady looking at you, just change place. You will read now? But
Go, and then you will read. But
Yeah, I'll read.
wait. We can buy books, but make sure you will read it. Okay?
Yeah, you're telling me to read book.
Of course.
This is the kind of book I'm reading.
What you will learn here?
Mystery and science fiction. Also grammar and punctuation. A bit of vocabulary. Like what you said.
And pay your money.
Yeah, buddy. Just not asking for your credit card.
Nag-aas na credit card, no? Hindi pwedeng pahaya-hayang credit card.
sige, magbayad na kayo.
Okay. Ano ba?
Where's the pay area? Where's the area?
Ikaw na magbayad. Matuto pa yung magbayad. Ayan, magbabayad na sila ng napili niyang book. Ayan, nagbabayad na sila. Ayan, nakabayad na sila ng kanilang, ng Balma, yung book ni Balma
Oh, Balba is done. I'm so happy. He's so happy now.
for the, let me see, the book.
Now it's fulfillment.
No, there's more.
There's more.
At ayan guys, nakabili na si Balma ng kanyang gustong bilhing reading book. So, heading na kami sa Daiso shop.
Okay, we'll show you something.
What?
Somebody's mom said no.
Where?
But this is so somebody's son.
Hmm.
Somebody's son says no.
Then, put there.
The mom is holding this. And then the son said, no mom, don't buy.
Then put anywhere.
Put anywhere. Right. That somebody's son said no. The mom is holding, right? Then the son said, no mom, you can't buy.
Someone interest, what is that?
Yeah, you can buy this for outside sports, right? Yeah, I'm so confused.
Photoin ba ako?
Difficult activity.
Yeah, you should not use iPad, right? Exactly. You have so many toys.
You have so many
Bags.
time. Bursary instincts are so convincing. Sometimes when I
At ayan guys, tapos na kaming mamili ng konti-konti lang naman. So, may nag-aya sa amin sa food court para sa aming family dinner. So, on the way na kami sa food court. At ayan guys, hinahanap lang namin ang aming mga kadate. Saan kaya sila? At ayan guys, na-order na sila ng aming para sa aming dinner dito sa KFC sa may food court. Ayan. Nag-uusap pa sila kung anong orderin na chicken para sa amin. Ang aming dinner dumating na.
May spicy ba?
Guys, ang aming maghapong gala, kain sa labas. Pauwi na kami guys. Thank you sa pagsama sa aming vlog. Thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog.